221 South Forest Street is a modern escape situated in Denver's Hilltop neighborhood. The curb appeal starts with flat roof lines, a dynamic two-story entrance, and a custom front door that welcomes you inside, where you immediately notice the cascading natural sunlight. The home was completely reimagined in 2017 by Wild and Mild Homes, and the intention and vision for the home was to create something that was not only spectacular to live in, but also had this wow factor by incorporating special touches throughout the home that include the main floor office with glass doors, glass railings around the second floor, a dog wash, a theater room, a climatized wine room. So not only can you love it day to day when you're here, but it's also so fun to show off to your friends and family when you're entertaining. Not only are we on one of the largest lots in Hilltop, but this home also has one of the largest outdoor heated pools, which can be enjoyed year-round. With close proximity to amenities in Cherry Creek, 2 nearby parks, and excellent options for both private and public school, 221 South Forest Street really has it all.